Hey guys, welcome to Tuesday. You made it. So today I want to talk a little bit about the rules and expectations of my online classroom. Now, obviously, if you were here in the classroom with me and we talked about rules and expectations, I have rules like raise your hand to speak or stand, things like that that work in a classroom, but they don't really work in an online classroom. That doesn't mean that I don't still have expectations. There are certain things that I expect you to do in this online classroom. Now, to begin with, there are some things you have to do. You have to log in every day and complete an assignment in my classroom every day. That's the same in all of your Canvas classes. And it's this way for a couple of reasons. This is our way of taking attendance. We didn't even come up with this rule. This came from the state. So you have to log in to be counted present for school. You logging in is me knowing that you went to school that day. Another reason that you need to log in and do some work every day is so that the work doesn't get piled up and you have to do a lot of work all day one day. Then you probably won't get it done. That will be bad. So it's good to do just a little every day. And finally, and I think most importantly, if you don't log in and you don't do the work every day, you're gonna fail. Nobody wants to do that. So just log in, do the simple assignments every day, and get a good grade. And then hopefully at some point I'll be able to see you in person. Now, so other than logging in every day and doing your work every day like you're supposed to, I also have some expectations about your language. Obviously, I'm not going to hear you speak, but you are going to be typing responses to me and to your classmates online. We do have a space here where you can ask questions on a question board. And if we go over here to modules, you can see that on Friday, you're going to participate in a class discussion. And that starting Wednesday, you're going to be doing journal assignments. What I want to make sure you understand is that this is a classroom space, even though it is online. I can read what you type. So you want to make sure that the things you type are appropriate for a teacher to see. Also, you want to use your school language, meaning this is not like a text message. This is not a note that you're scribbling to a friend. You want to use complete sentences. You want to speak like you're speaking to an adult because you are. So just keep that in mind. We're going to use school appropriate language for many reasons. First of all, you have to get used to speaking in a more formal setting and typing and writing in a more formal setting. But also, it's really important to remember that this is still a community. This is still a classroom, and what you say on here can still affect your classmates. For example, when we have a class discussion, I don't want you writing or saying anything that could hurt someone else's feelings. This is still the classroom. We are still going to behave appropriately. So just keep those things in mind, and I know that we're going to have a great year. Now, please remember that today, after watching this video, you have a rules and expectations assignment. It's super quick, so head on over there and get it done.